In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12i, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by launching any app you want to use in this view and accessing it in the background. To do that, using Trick's navigation, click on the square button. Now click on this little icon at the top right corner of your app. And as you can see, now I can use mine in pop-up view. If you wish to move your app around, you need to hold this sign at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. To turn it into a bubble, you can click on this icon with a line at the top left corner, and then tap on the bubble to activate your window again. You can also tap on Home button, swipe your tiny window to the side and also create a bubble. Now to use your app in full screen view, click at the top left corner, and to close it completely at the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!